Using keyboard shortcuts with a PC. Control-C or copy. This shortcut allows you to copy text. Highlight the text that you would like to copy and hit Control-C on the keyboard. You've now stored the text in your computer's clipboard or memory. Next, let's look at Control-V or paste. After copying the text with Control-C, move your cursor to the destination where you would like to paste the text. Hit Control-V on the keyboard to paste the text. Copy and paste works with both texts or images. Control-A or select all. When you want to select everything in a document, press Control-A. This will select all the text. Once all the text is selected, you can choose to copy the text, change the font, delete it, and so on.